Hello friend, we come from Shandong Automobile Company Limited. My name is Ricky.
My name is Annie. Today we will introduce our aluminium fuel tank for you.
Okay, if I want to buy a fuel tank trailer, how much is it?
Our fuel tanker are customized. We can according to your requirement to design. We have 30,000 liters to 60,000 liters fuel tanker.
Okay, it's good. Could you do 45,000 liters for us?
Yes, we can. We can do it. Do you have requirement for tail width of tank trailer? We have aluminium material and carbon steel material fuel tanker. The aluminium fuel tanker is more lighter 4 tons than carbon steel material.
It's good. I think the aluminum material is better for us.
Okay, we will do that for you. You can see our tanker. The tank body is aluminium material, and the chassis is carbon steel material.
Okay. How about the shape of the tanker? And if we want to do a lower height the tanker?
Yes, we also can control the shape of tanker, include the height, the width, and the length.
Okay. And what is this?
This is bottom valve. It is emergency valve. How many compartments do you need for now?
I think 6 or 7 is okay.
Okay. This one, you can see this one is our 7 compartments aluminium fuel tanker. This is API valve. It can loading and unloading the goods. It can improve your work efficiency.
Okay, it's very well. And about the suspension, I want to do an airbag suspension.
It's okay. We can do it. The airbag suspension is more lighter than spring suspension. It can adapt your rough road condition in your country.
Okay, it's very good. And how about the tail lights?
The rear light we use European standard LED light.